So which is our clear domain. So this is called as InfoScience Security, where we provide lots of security applications which comes under cyber security. So InfoScience Security, we do manage security services, as well as our main product is called as VAPT. So hope you people are from computer science background, you know what is VAPT. So cybersecurity is our main concern. Also, to train our young minds of India again, being a student of Anna University and colleges. So we also try to give people some sort of technology what we do in the like daily basis. So we do a lot of courses, we do a lot of internships. We support people for their like for projects also. So this is our training website, AICL.training. So if you want to get in touch with us, you can directly visit this AICL.training. So this is, so 1 second, sorry. So this is our company website where we actually do cyber security and VAPT. So cyber security, which is, and VAPT is a part of our cyber security. So we do clients all across the world. We have clients from 3 countries. One is US, another one is UK, and we do clients for India also. So which I will explain in the later part. Okay. So yes. So this is our agenda. So I already explained about what is Astron. So what is the topic given to me is like entrepreneurship and innovation and career as an opportunity. So can anyone unmute and say what do you mean by a startup? So what is mean by entrepreneurship? Hope all of you are from computer science background, computer science IT background. So you're all from, as Madam told, you're all from third year. So anyone can explain what is entrepreneurship? Any idea? What is entrepreneurship? Okay, fine. So entrepreneurship is nothing but creating your own business. So there are like two types of people in the world. One is like who creates job for others, and second people is like who gets the job from others. So entrepreneurship is something like it is of the first kind where you create opportunity to other people, where you create lives to others people. So entrepreneurship is somewhat ahead of what the regular work is. Okay. So what is a startup? So if you want to become an entrepreneur, like there are like two options, like okay. So either you can create a business or you can create a startup. So creating business is of a huge deal where not a common people can involve in it, but each and every engineer, like what I'm saying, so each and every graduate or each and every engineer or whatever. So it may be an arts degree or it may be engineering degree. Whoever it is who has completed his degree can have a startup. So what is a startup is like? Startup is nothing but creating new innovation, new business, where the technology comes in plus a passion. So if you have an idea of creating your own business, if you have an innovative idea plus the technology, what you as all of you are from engineering students, if you know the technology plus you have the passion and dedication, you can create your own startup where you can learn and you can give opportunity to others lives also. Okay. So what is startup like? How to create a startup? So startup is something like what I said is like you don't need to have an creator like that much of where you have to pay like huge amount of money and all these things. So if you have an idea, then that is more than enough to create your own company or your own startup. So if you want to create a startup, so many people are there, those who have already created a startup. So the only thing which you should have is like disruption. So they are creating disruption. So what I mean by disruption is like, so this is an example of disruption. Disruption is something like a different idea from what you think from others. So some 10 years back, so people from this automatic industry, so or people from this rental car industry, if you want to own a rental car business, then they have to like buy like thousands of hundreds and thousands of taxis, where you have to bring in a huge deal of investment. So now the industry has become very smart. Once one small idea has created disruption in this taxi industry, which is like Uber and Ola. So anyone who owns a single car can join this Ola or this Uber company. Again, most of you would have like known that Ola and Uber, they don't own a single taxi also. So a company called as Ola, who runs a taxi industry of almost like where like the lakhs of cars is running across the nation. They don't have a single car owned by them. So can you imagine like this will happen just before 10 years? So no. So the disruption is something like where you can create new ideas and new technologies to the industry, where it will bring in a great business. So there are like disruption has happened in many industries. So one more example of disruption is your grocery industry. So we are all like now we are all facing a critical situation in the corona time. So before that, if you want to buy something where you have to go to the nearest store, or where you have to go to the particular branded store, so spend some time in the queue, like you have to spend a lot of time in the travel, then come back. So everything energy waste, all these things. So disruption has come to the graph store where you have the app in your mobile. You just order something, and those things get delivered into your home with like at, at, at almost like very ease of time. So this is also a disruption that is handled in the grocery industry. Similarly, what happened into the Ola or Uber industry, that is like taxi industry. So one more disruption example is called as your Kindle. So again, Kindle has made like your job very easier, right? So before, if you want to read something, or before you if you want to learn something, so 10 to 15 years back, you have to move to the library, then sign in those registers, go and search where the book is, and then take the book to your home like 10 to 15 days of time, then return it. So it takes a lots and lots of time, and your storage space also. So you have to keep it always safe policy. So everything has been like converted into a Kindle, where you have like millions and millions of books. Unless and until your storage is very less, you can store millions and millions of books inside a small Kindle, and wherever you want, you can read at your convenience, on the travel, or on your home, or wherever you want. So this disruption has been happened in this e-publishing industry. So like again, the same idea as like Uber and Ola. So a man who doesn't have the money to purchase a taxi, but now he's having like he's running like millions of taxis. So similarly, so no need to go and buy for the book. So directly it comes into your Kindle, where you can study at ease, right? So one more disruption happened in the hotel industry. So most of you would have like seen all these things, the wire rooms, all this, where you have no need to spend like thousands and thousands of rupees for your stay. Suppose if your management says, or if you people are willing to travel abroad, or somewhere else in the nation, where you have to spend where you don't know people from there, you have to spend like lots of rupees for this particular stay, or so something else. So now comes the wire rooms, where you can find all these voyeurs like in the every street nook corner of your town, or of your village. So OA has been a revolution, where a common man can be shifted to some other place at a very low cost. So before that, you don't find these types of like hotels, where you can stay in luxury, but you have to pay very very less. But hotels like I'm not mentioning any hotel. So hotels like Taj, like they will cost you more and for the luxury, but OYO concept is entirely different. So this has happened as a disruption in hotel industry. So again, like Snapdeal, Flipkart, so which is almost similar to the Grofers what we have been discussing in the previous slide. Again, one more disruption is like the Food Panda. Again, if you want to eat something, if you want to like have a dinner, or have a lunch or a breakfast in your home, you can have the feel of your hotel in the same place of your like in the living room. So this is a disruption have happened in the food industry. So again, these are all like an extension of what we have been discussing. Like disruption has happened in almost like every industry, like Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn, Google Plus. So before that, if you want to, you are a well-trained profile. You have a well-trained profile. Before you want to search a job, you have to go to each and every company, then submit the resume, then come back. You have to wait for the results. Again, you have to go to the next day, again visit some five companies, then come back to home and wait for the results. And this things is not going to happen today, since the power of LinkedIn. So if you have the potential, if you have the certificates, if you have that particular, if you have that knowledge, directly you can go and like update your skills in LinkedIn, where like there are like millions and millions of recruiters around the world who are eagerly watching your profile to give you a job. So everything is so this is called as disruption. So this has not happened 10 or 15 years back in the same place where we are living, but these things is happening in nowadays. So this is called as disruption. So disruption is a small idea which creates like the entire change in everyone's life. Just imagine, guys, like you cannot spend a day without WhatsApp or a Facebook. So what these big companies has done is they have created an idea and they have like intruded that idea in your mind. So in every college student or like every businessman, whoever it is, they would be using any one of this particular app at least once in a day. So there you cannot like pinpoint a person like who is not at all using this app in his whole life period. So this is what they have done. So if you are using Facebook, like it becomes money for them. So if you're using WhatsApp, if you're using Twitter, so knowingly or unknowingly we are spending lots and lots to these people to create just to pay for their disruption, that is just to pay for their ideas which they have been created. So this is called as disruption. So this disruption should happen in order to create your startup. So for creating startup, you should have a new idea. You have to think out of box than the others. Okay, sir, I have an idea. So what is the next thing I have to do? Like, so if you have an idea, then government of India is ready to help you to create your startup. So this startup is called a Startup India and Stand Up India. So you should have a disrupted idea. So you can, if you have that, you can directly go to Startup India and Stand Up India website where you can create your own startup. So as government is providing lots of funds for you. So what is a startup? So they're saying like private company or a registered partner firm or LLP registered in India not more than 5 years. So there is a lot of difference between a startup and a business. So business is something big when compared to a startup. So if you have an idea, if you have a company that is less than 5 years, you can very well call it as a startup. And annual turnover is not should not greater than 25 crores, so which is also considered as a startup. So these are all the points which you where you can say your company is a startup India. As I already said, government of India is funding much more. So for the young minds to create like their own business. Okay, so I'll just again have a comparison between business and startup. So what do you mean by a business and what do you mean by a startup? Okay, so I'll give you some real-time examples. So one is like Big Bazaar and another one is called as Flipkart. So Big Bazaar is having almost like 350 stores and it is located around like 100 plus cities. So the valuation is like 2,000 crores. It is founded in the year 2001. Whereas Flipkart, where it has only 6 warehouses and 0 stores across India. So this is the idea of a startup. So in startup, you need not invest much more. Only the idea which provides you the basic investment. So Big Bazaar, when they started, they thought like, okay, I want to sell something. I want to sell some electronics. I want to sell some goods. So what I have to do is the traditional method is like the traditional method is like, okay, go and create some stores. So go buy some land, bring in the construction people. Bring in the malls, like all these things which comes under these big bazaars and all the so in this big bazaar concept. So whereas in Flipkart, you don't have even a single store for a Flipkart. So we cannot find even a single store across the nation for this Flipkart. Only they have a warehouse. So you have this store inside your mobile phones where you order. So they have started in the year 2007 and Big Bazaar they have invested so much of crores and crores of rupees. Where in Flipkart they don't have a greater investment. So see the value of money they have generated. So for Flipkart, they have generated almost like 98,000 crores. For Big Bazaar, they have generated almost 2,000 crores. So see, it has started in the year 2007. It has started in 2001. So what makes difference between these two guys is these two guys are doing the same business, but the idea comes into the picture. It is not about money. So it is all about the disruption. It is all about these ideas, which makes your business much more successful and much more stronger. So same example. So almost like Meru Gas and Uber. So Meru Gas is not famous in South India, but Meru Gas is much more famous in North India, where Meru is a company where they own 12,000 plus cars. Okay, so 12,000 plus cars. Just imagine how much money they would have invested in this car business. As I already said, Uber and Ola zero taxi purchase. They don't have a car on this name, but they generate a huge business when compared to the Europe, where they have invested so much of money. So what I'm coming to say is like the ideas that matters the business. So we a country having like almost like 35 percentage of population as the younger minds. So we have to create something new, which will be new for the industry and which will create actually values to the lives of the people. So everybody wants to be. So if I give you a choice, like if you want to become an employee or if you want to become an entrepreneur, so everybody choose the path called as entrepreneur, because in entrepreneur the career growth is somewhat different. So again, you can impress people who are sitting below you. So everybody wants to be an entrepreneur, and India needs more of an entrepreneur for growth. So I clearly say that if you want to become an entrepreneur, you no need to worry about like the money and all these things. If you have an idea, if you have the knowledge, you can clearly become an entrepreneur. Again, I already said, government of India is funding you to create your own entrepreneurship. So these are all some these people also are the best examples of entrepreneurships. So Paytms, Flipkarts, Snapdeals, Ola, and OERs. Again, like imagine the guy who's standing in the right corner of his OER room. When he started his business, he was around like 21 years of age. Just if I'm not wrong, when he started his OER business, he was like just elder than you people, like almost 3 to 4 years. Just so again, like in the age of 21, so he started his own business. Now imagine how much revenue. Like you can see OYO rooms, as I already said, you can see OYO rooms like in each nook and corner of your streets. Okay. Again, Ola, when he created this concept, he was almost like 28, Snapdeal 31, Flipkart 35, Paytm 37. So all these people are very young. So only their idea. So they are thinking different. So they are not going to the traditional way. So what my seniors did, what my role model did, all these things doesn't help you out in creating new people as unique. So what you have to do is you have to think unique. Once you think unique, like again, that is a process. Okay. So like why limit yourself to your own domain? Okay, sir. Like Flipkart, so he should be a greater engineer, right? So because he has created a wonderful site. Ola, right? Oh, he should be an automatic, like sort of automotive industry engineer, like. So only an automatical or a mechanical engineer would have created Ola, or like a Flipkart. It is a great website, so he has to be graduated from a great university abroad. All these things. So these things won't work out. Okay. So what is like, right? See, so Flipkart is done by an engineer, and Alibaba.com is done by a teacher. So just imagine, OA Rooms is done by a college dropout. Book My Show is done by an MBA graduate. Being Human is done by an actor. Paytm is owned by an engineer. So whatever you study, whatever you learn from your college, whatever you learn from your university, it is going to help you. It is going to help you in getting a job. But whatever passion inside you, it is going to help you in creating jobs for others. Which means that if you have the passion, if you have the dedication, your degree doesn't matter. You are like. Whatever like sheet you show to the people sitting in front of you doesn't matter. If you have the passion towards something, just go to the passion, just reach out of it, and you can actually achieve it. So again, this guy is a really really interesting guy. Since we don't have time, like much more time to if you guys, if you have time, please go to alibaba.com. Just just read Jack Ma's life story. This guy is really very interesting. He's just a teacher now. Now, just see the amount of revenue you have generated, and like China depends on only this guy. So this guy is really a great person. Is like you can see like I'm impressed with this guy. Oyo, like he's a college dropout. He has not completed his degree also, but just imagine the amount of revenue he's generating and amount of revenue he's generating for others. So how many millions of people is working across India just under his banner? Again, they are running for their life. So if you have the passion, you can do it, guys. So that is what. So again, this is a case study of what is this. So your degree or like whatever your study is not going to matter. So India Filing is a website where you can file income tax. So India Filings is one of the premier websites recommended by the government of India, where to file income tax on all these things. Again, it is founded by Charles Lyon. He owns a master degree in airline management. So just imagine what is the difference between, so what is the correlation for airline management and an income tax website, creating a website. So something was there in his mind, or something was there in his heart, where to create. He wants to create something new. So to create an income tax website, he should have been he should have been a CA graduate, So like he should have been and like advocate all these things. So again, like, again he had a different degree and he holds the number one website for income taxes. So if you want to create a business, if you want to close a business, you can directly go to India Felix. But his degree is like is an airline degree. So this is what matters. This is what matters. So people around, if you see the truth, people around you are really different. People who had this, who had tasted their success are really different. They had the passion, they had their ideas, they had their disruption in their mind, and they become successful. Okay. So if they can do, why not you? They are also humans, right? So they are also like normal guys. So yeah, that Roya guy has started in the year of 21. So why can't we do? So we can also like do the same thing. So if you're like if you are in the age of 20 and 20 to 30 is the like 20 to 30 is really very critical. So what you become in this particular period of time will actually help you in traveling through your entire career. So lost about where you are, you should head to the nurturing an idea. So in this 20 to 30, create some ideas. So still like create an idea. So implement that idea, and government is ready to fund you, and you can reach heights. Okay. So pretty confused where to go next. Yes. So this is this is the mantra of success. So you should have an idea. So okay, sir, I have an idea, but I'm the only person who can do this. So again, it may lead to yeah, a lot of confusion. It may lead to you if you are not having your support, then it may lead to like a stop in your business. So if you have an idea, create a team, create people, yeah, create people around you. Like again, like you merge them as a team. Again, you bring in a business model, have some fundings, allocate time for them. So everything is important. So ideas, teams, business model, funding, timing. So everything is important in order to become successful. Okay. So before you start, what you have to do is like if you're starting your own entrepreneurship, so if you're starting your own business, before starting your own business, you should analyze these things. One is like competitor analysis. Competitor analysis, like suppose if I'm running an uh, a hotel industry, I need to I need to like verify who are all the competitors around me and what they do and what wrong they do. It is very important to identify the negatives and you have to convert it as a positives. And size of users, B2B is like business to business, B2C is business to customers. B2B is like where you get business from another business company. B2C is directly you serve your customers. So all these things you should have in mind before starting your business. Okay. So when all the phases are done, you have to be up. Okay. So if everyone is thinking towards a particular goal, you have to think differently. Then only you can shine than others. So these are all the things I want to convey, like body of an entrepreneur. So top 10 mistakes done by an entrepreneur, like failing to ask help. So if you are like not moving to the next level, you can have a help of others to take it. So ignoring social media. So ignoring social media is really a vital point. So nowadays, like all the business is running in the social media. So like you should not ignore the social media. Like spending too much money. Again, become an entrepreneur. The first mantra is you should not spend too much of money. You should spend too much of your ideas here. So not having the right co-founder, the lack of focus, hiring poorly is again is a vital point. So where if you are creating a team, your team should be very strong, where you work and your partners also ensure that your partners are also working. If a team of four are working and one is not working, again that is not going to help you in reaching your causes. Okay, right. So how can I help you? So like this is slide where said that. So if you nurture today, again like your future is very bright. One day this tree is going to be growing up. Right. So change is important. Do not think in a traditional way. So Nokia has failed, as we all know. Nokia has failed. So Nokia was the phone which have been used by millions of people in India, but they never wanted to change from their normal model to the smart industry model. Now we almost know that the iPhones has been replaced by this Nokia's. Okay, so there are like again previously before Facebook there was something called as Orkut. Orkut has changed to Facebook. Normal traditional SMS was there. Now it was changed to WhatsApp. So this is like normal banks like this public sector unions bank where you have the private private banks where you get your loans processed at quick amount of time for your business or for your homes or whatever needs you have. Like again, like generation gaps comes into a picture. But before like for like 5 to 10 years, or not 5 years, before 10 years, like if you imagine a businessman, so this is the structure that comes with. So if you should wear a coat, shoes, formals. So he'll be very old. Like all this business he has generated, he has spent his whole amount of lifetime. He has spent 40 years of time to create this business. All these stories have gone. Like you can take the example of Mark Zuckerberg, like where at the age of 30 or 35, he has conquered the entire world. So life is very short. So you can, if you have the idea, if you have the passion, you can clearly get succeeded in life in your younger age itself. So it is not about the men who work for strive hard for 50 years, then he tasted success. Then it is not the case as of. So it is all about your mindset. You have to be a quick learner, you have to be a smart learner, you have to take your decisions strongly. Again, this is very, very important. Again, risk taking capabilities, take the risk, take the positive risk. So think out of the box. If you are a person who you think you have all these capabilities, then you can be an entrepreneur. Like yes. So survival of the fittest. So there will be many persons in this world, like who will be a quick learner, who works smartly, quick decisions, right thinking abilities. All these things will be there, but survival of the fittest matters. Survival of the fittest is like, for example, I will give you a small idea. So where you have an hotel industry in Italy, where you can be an expert in creating chapatis, but like no one in Italy will come to you and prefer your chapati. They will only prefer something called as pizzas or like pizzas or burgers or something what they prefer. So don't go for what you are good at. So go for what the industry actually needs. So this then only you can survive for the longer period of time. So I'm good at this, sir, then it is okay. But what the industry needs is business to you. Okay. So again, these are all like food pandas, Zomatos for food. These are all example for the industries that is coming across in today's world. So if you want to be successful, so my first success mantra is to start with the good people to make something customer actually want. This is what I say. So to start with the good people in the sense that they're not actually good people, to start with really actually potential people. So I'll say it as potential people, or you can rephrase it as knowledgeable people. So only if you are knowledgeable, then okay, it is good to start up. But you and the people around you are knowledgeable, definitely you will taste the success in the sooner period of time. So to make something customers actually want, so you have to build a product which actually you have to build a product which the customers need. You should not build a product what you like. Okay, so one, and spend as little money as possible. So spend little money, have a creative idea, have good people in you. You will definitely taste the success. So again, success, whether professionals can grasp such changes, have pride in how far you have come, have faith in how far you can go. So third is like don't be afraid of change. It is leading to a new beginning. So always think out of box. Always think different from others. So it is not the strongest or the most intelligent who will survive, but those who can best manage the changes, who can survive. So you should have the guts, and you should have the will for the changes. So to summarize all these things, so change is the only thing that is going to happen. So don't go by the traditional way. So creates what I said is like don't go by the traditional way. Create new, think new, have disruption in your mind, create people around you who are all knowledgeable. So work towards a common goal. Spend little amount of money. Spend more time in like imparting your ideas. All these things, definitely success will come to your feet. So dear past, thanks for all the lessons, and dear future, I am ready. So this is a slide I created in the 2020. So like the 2021 welcomes you to the all over India. So again, like we almost passed for 4 months of time. So this is very important. So don't always think about the your past. So I have done this, I have done that. So I failed in these things, all these things. So yeah, take everything as a lesson. Start today fresh. You can really be a successful person. So contact us. Like currently we are in Chennai. So I'll share you my address also. So as I already said, we have two different business. One is AICL, so which we run to the corporates as well as these young minds of India. There's these college peoples where we support them from end to end, and another one is called as Infosys Security. So where we provide cyber security solutions. So we have branches all around the world. One is in USA, another one is London, and third one is in Chennai. So in Chennai we have in Rayapeta, that is in the Express Avenue. Most of you would have been there, but would have not known that. So we have also been located in Express Avenue. In Express Avenue Business Towers, just backside to your Express Avenue mall. Okay. So thank you guys. Thanks for this 45 minutes of time. Thanks for listening so patiently. So if you have any queries, you can ask me.
Yes, thank you, Selva Ganamadi, for sharing such an information. I would like to call upon our head of the department, Dr. Subram sir, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you, madam. Good afternoon, one and all present here. On behalf of the Department of IT, I would like to thank Mr. Selva Ganapati, Vice President AICL, allotted his time for us during his busy schedule. In today's situation, what student should learn in line with the changing world so that they can succeed in their career by doing work or by doing business. All those details you have said very clearly and beautifully. Thank you very much, sir. I thank our chairman, vice chairman, director, and the principal for giving us opportunity to conduct this webinar. Finally, I would like to thank all our faculties, HODs, and students. Thank you, one and all present here. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir. It was a nice opportunity to interact with this young minds of India, and looking forward to work more. Thank you for the management of New Prince Sri Bhavani Institute of Technology. Thank you, HOD sir, and thank you, Blessing Christina madam, for this opportunity. Thank you, one and all.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Okay. Can you all switch on your videos for a while? Students?
Yeah.
Please do on your videos.
எல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணுங்கப்பா ப்ளீஸ். ஜஸ்ட் 30 செகண்ட்.
Okay. Thank you all.
Thank you.